Hi there, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and today we're doing a little mower maintenance. We've got some kind of taller grass out there growing because it's been droughting for a few weeks. It's raining right now, so probably not gonna believe me on that one. But this is a John Deere Z540R, zero turn with a 60-inch high-capacity deck, and we're changing oil. I often post this stuff mostly so I can look back at it when I go to change it next time and find out all the stuff I don't remember. And one of the things is the John Deere filter is part number AM125424, and it was like $8. The Purolator that's at Advanced Auto Parts is like $11.50, so the John Deere part is actually cheaper. Then it's about once a year I actually buy new blades, and the part numbers on the blades is the M163983, and that only works as long as they fit, because then if they don't, then I gotta not post a video. Also thinking about building something a little different for my rope that holds the shield open. Sometimes when I'm on narrow space or something, I like to pull that up, or when I'm mowing sides of the ditch and stuff, it works better with that up. But the way I've got it now and how I tie it up, or kind of put that loop on I either put that loop on the handle, or when the tool is in here, put it in there. And I'm not really thrilled about that, so I might build something for there. We'll see what I do. It could be handy, more handy though. Okay, so right now I'm draining the oil. I already took the air filter out of here, blew that out, got it all back together. Oil filter and plug is down there. I'm about ready to put the plug back in. This one takes 2.2 quarts of 10W30, so that's the oil. Trying to think what else. I kind of did my operation backwards because I didn't actually blow it off. I wanted to blow it off outside, but then it was raining out, so I'm going to blow it off. It's kind of stopping raining now, so I'm going to blow it off after the oil change. So yeah, got the little grass all over everything still. And if you're asking, well, why don't you actually blow it off when you get done mowing, it's probably because it was dark out when I got done last time, or had to run somewhere, or something was going on, so it didn't get blowed off. So we're gonna finish through the oil change. Those are the numbers, so we're gonna get the blades changed too, but like I say, those are the numbers that matter. And the last thing I wanted to say about this oil change is that we are at 248.5 hours, I think. A little glare there, something like that, maybe 0.9, 0.4, point whatever, but 248. So we'll eventually get around to doing it again. I mentioned just a little earlier in the video that I was going to try to figure out a better thing to hook my little rope onto when I'm holding the deck open, or the guard chute open. And this is what I did. I just took a bolt that was quite long, chopped it off, just kind of set it there and made a Sharpie mark on it, put a nut on the inside and a neoprene nut on the outside, and tightened it up. And this seems to be a pretty good thing, so that's what I did there. A little welding, not too much, not even great welding, And I think we're good to go on that. So that's what I did there. Just wanted to give you that update. And this is the real thing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.